Welcome to our lesson on adding fractions in a word problem. Let's look at how to begin. Read through the word problem one time so that you know what the entire problem says. Read through the word problem a second time and slow down while reading it. Take your time. Next, identify what is being asked, what you already know, and what you need to know. The next step is to solve the problem. And finally, reread the problem to make sure you really answered what was being asked. All right, so let's practice. The brown dog weighs 2 4/10 pounds more than the black dog. If the black dog weighs 12 3/10 pounds, how much does the brown dog weigh? So let's start with what we know. We know that the black dog weighs 12 3/10 pounds. And we know that the brown dog weighs 2 4/10 pounds more than the black dog. So we need to add those two numbers together to find out the weight of the brown dog. So let's add our numerators first. 3 plus 4 equals 7, and then our denominator stays the same. Now we need to add our whole numbers. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So the brown dog weighs 14 7/10 pounds. Oh.
Start that one.
Let's try another one. Scott spent 5/12 of an hour studying, 2 2/12 hours reading, and 1 1/12 hours playing video games. How much time did he spend doing all three activities? So we need to add these numbers together. We have 5/12 plus 2 2/12 plus 1 1/12. All right, let's add our numerators first. So 5 plus 2 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. Our denominator stays the same. And now we're ready to add our whole numbers. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So he spent 3 8/12 hours doing these activities. You try one. Eric was 42 6/10 inches tall on his 4th birthday. If he grew 2 4/10 inches more in the next year, how tall is he when he turns 5? So let's start with what we know. We know he's already 42 6/10 inches tall, and we're going to add how much he's going to grow in the next year, 2 4/10 inches. And that will tell us his total height on his 5th birthday. So let's start with our numerators. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Our denominators stay the same. Okay, 10 over 10 equals a whole. So we'll put that out to the side. So now let's add our other whole numbers. 42 plus 2 equals 44, plus our other whole number equals 45. So he will be 45 inches tall when he turns 5. This concludes our lesson on adding fractions in a word problem.